Ladies and gents of the YouTubes, welcome back. It is an exciting day. The RM370 is ready for her first startup after we completely went through the engine. So, moment of truth, let's see what happens. I'm nervous. Choke. Never mind. Yeah, I think so. Alright guys, well, it's running. I'm tired because kicking 370 sucks, but it does run, so we're gonna continue to tinker. Second fell off. Now it's in neutral. So we got to get a correct shifter for it.
Yeah, we do.
That's going to be crucial, but she definitely rips it first.
That seems like a tall first gear, doesn't it?
Heck yeah, it seems like a tall first gear. It's a 370 though. It's super kind of fast for how old she is. Alright guys, I forgot to make an ending to the video earlier, but the RM370 is a runner, and I rode it around and all that's awesome. We need to do some jetting work to it. I have some more new parts to put on it. We need to do some vapor blasting to the aluminum, but super stoked to hear it run and ride it. That was a lot of fun. So as always, thanks for tuning in, and if you happen to be new, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.